Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on REALME 12. So start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and here click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow, and now click consent, and now click on this button and click allow. And now you can close this ad again, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.